question, an equation like this, I say x plus 4 is equals to 16. X is equals to what? You can just simply say 16 minus 4 is equals to x. So x is equals to 12. 16 minus 4 is 12. X is equals to 12. If you see 12 plus 4 is equals to 16, I say 16 minus 4 is equals to x. X is equals to 12. Same thing here. Someone can just go ahead and just try